Ready, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yo, what's up? Chubby Boricua here. Today we are going to do the very first unofficial Food Network audition video segment called Cooking with a Chubby Boricua. Today I'm going to be making ropa vieja. I don't know how to cook, so everything I do has to be done from a recipe. And I got this online on how to make ropa vieja. And basically I got all my ingredients here. We have the sofrito, green peppers. I'm going to throw the tomato in there. Got some onions, olives, tomato sauce, pepper. I didn't even know what this was until today. I had no clue. Capers. I still don't know what this is. But the recipe calls for it. We have adobo. We have sazon. Beef boiler, bouillons. Minced garlic. We're also gonna we have 2 packs of flank steak. So, and one very important ingredient. Gotta have my rum. You'll see why in a minute. So, again, thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys like it. I'm gonna try to make this funny. I'm gonna try to make it fun. Again, I don't know how to cook, so I don't even know how this is gonna come out. I just started cooking by picking up recipes, man. If I can do this, you can do this too. I've made meatloaf, I've made lasagnas, everything from scratch. Corn dogs from scratch. I don't believe in like stuff, just scratch. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it right. So again, this is the first unofficial Food Network audition tape, because I believe they should have a show with somebody like myself who doesn't know how to cook, that goes to different places and different houses, and the people give him a recipe, he cooks it, serves it to the family, and then we see or not if he actually did it the way it was supposed to be, or like mama used to make, so to say. So, for the time's sake, I'm not going to sit here and put this together and show you how much and how much and how much or what. I will tell you though, once I do it, I'll tell you what it is that you need. But, and if you're wondering, is that his kitchen? Yeah. My camera is actually sitting on top of the refrigerator right now. This is it right here. This is the camera. You know, right now you got this whole bailout thing going on, and they're trying to blame the little people for causing all this because we're buying houses that we can't afford. And the bank didn't give it to us. They wouldn't have taken it. Anyway, don't even get me started on that. Here's my kitchen. This is my world right here. Actually my wife's world, but she lets me in here to come and play every once in a while. So like I said, hope you guys like the show. I'll be back in a few minutes. Let me get all this stuff going and doing, and I'll see you back. What's up? So, we have our meat, and then here I mixed in the onions and the green peppers. I have an eye EBGB thing, and the onions tore the shit out of my eyes. Thanks for the warning. Just gonna get a couple of little video things. That next thing coming up is gonna be, gotta follow the instructions. Did the onions. Gotta do the minced garlic. That's coming up next. Ground pepper. Tomato sauce, 1 can. The adobo was for the meat, so that's done. I guess these little things, whatever that's called. This stuff and this stuff. Still gotta do the tomatoes. I should do that right now. And the olives is coming up next. But just so you can see that I am working on it, but because of time's sake, I can't videotape everything. So, see you guys in a little bit. Yo, what's up? Alright, this is what happened. Got a little bit ahead of myself, and I mixed in some stuff that probably shouldn't have been mixed before it was supposed to be mixed, if you understand what I'm saying. So, I hope it turns out good. I was supposed to go pick up my wife 5 o'clock. I told her if she could get a ride home because I'm still messing with this nonsense. And if you're wondering, am I wearing a different shirt? Yeah. See, the problem is, I sweat like a hooker at church, and it was just getting too hot in here. You see our state-of-the-art stove over here? And I got the stuff over there. I don't know what I'm doing, I'm telling you. I put in the sofrito before it was supposed to be put in. I got it all sitting right there looking like some kind of here, look, take a look. How it's gonna come out, I don't know. How the meat is gonna fit in there, I don't know. I got the meat already right here. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just following instructions, which obviously I didn't follow them right this time. And hopefully it turns out good. Hopefully they like it. We'll find out later. We're hoping for the best. Put all the meat, the sauce, all the mix and stuff inside that big old pot. I'm gonna do the rice now. Gonna have white rice. I tried to do tostones, but I guess I got the wrong plantains, and I couldn't do that. Now the reason for this is when all this stuff happens, you make yourself a nice drink with this. So that's it. That's cooking with Chubby Boricua. When it's all done, I'll take a picture of it so you guys can see how it came out. And tomorrow, if nobody's sick in the hospital, then I guess it went good. So till the next time, I don't know what I'm going to cook next, but whatever it is, I'll show you how to do it too.
Yeah.